In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schedule by Zapier. First, let's head over to the Zapier website. Open up your preferred web browser and just type in zapier.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll want to look at the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you haven't yet created an account, you can easily sign up, but let's proceed assuming that you have one. To log in, you'll use your Google account, which simplifies the process, making it quick and efficient. Just click Login with Google and follow the prompts to enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Zapier homepage. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but what we're interested in today is creating a new Zap, so let's go ahead and click on Create. You'll then want to click on Zaps. This will take you into the Zap editor where all the magic happens. Next up, click on the Trigger option. The trigger is essentially what initiates the whole process, so it's crucial to get this part right. Find and select Schedule from the list. This allows you to set a timer or specific interval at which you want this task to run automatically. Now we need to choose an event for our schedule. You could select the frequency of the action, and for today's demonstration we'll select every hour. This means the task will run hourly, seamlessly automating your workflow. Once you've set the schedule, it's time to test it. Go ahead and click on Test. This ensures everything is working as expected before you proceed. If your test is successful, it's time to move to the action portion of your Zap. Click on Action, which is a subsequent step your Zap will perform automatically. For our action, let's integrate Gmail. Select Gmail from the list of available integrations. Implementing Gmail will allow us to automate sending emails on the hour. After selecting Gmail, pick the specific event you want to occur. For this example, click on Send Email. Before you move forward, double check that you're properly signed into your Gmail account. This will authenticate the connection between Zapier and Gmail, ensuring smooth workflow automation. Once confirmed, click Test again to ensure everything is operating smoothly. This second test verifies our action step. If all goes well, congratulations are in order. You're on the last step, publishing your Zap. Click on Publish to activate your Zap. Once published, Zapier takes over, running your scheduled tasks as set up without any further input needed from you. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use Schedule by Zapier to automate your workflows, creating time efficiencies and enhancing productivity.